here. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to install file server and share folder from it. So file server, we have to install a role and Windows Server 2008 machine, and goes to roles. We already have a couple of roles installed. It's Active Directory, Domain Services, DHCP server, DNS. Here we have to install file services role. Next, you have introduction of file services, a couple of notifications there. Now file server, as it says, we have a lot many things we can do, so we will discuss more in later videos. Currently we just install video and install software rules. Okay, after the installation of role, just close it. So we just need to go to server manager. So just install file server, and we have to go to server manager, roles, file services, and share and storage management. And the dollar sign, you find that these are system share, server message box. These are the all our server message box, the shared folder, but all $1 is system share. Now you find the provision share. Here we have to create a location. For example, just wants to give a location to C drive, and make a new folder, whatever name he wants to give. Share 1, okay. Next. And if you have a provision storage, for example, if you have a dedicated hard disk or a dedicated hard disk and the space, then you can give that. Now NTFS thing, either you wants to go by default, or you wants to make some modifications on NTFS, like for example, users, if wants to give a full control, modify, like administrator or tech engineer will have all controlling the folder, sharing folder. Same the creator owner. Now these are the 4 types of users, and they have different types of permissions. So you can give, I'm just going with by default. And here in SMB settings, if you want to make some changes, you can. For example, allow users, number of users like 10, 15, maximum allowed. So if you have enable access based animation, for example, a particular sharing as a service to each and every user, then it will apply to those users. So I'm just going by default and just goes to OK. Next. So it will remain by default. Now I have 2 types of SMB permission, actually 4 types of SMB permission. These are the SMB permission that all users in groups have read access. It includes administrator. Administrator have full control, and all other users and group have read access. Administrator, all other group having full access of user group, and read and write access. This would be there. Next. And currently we don't have a namespace thing, we didn't install. We will do this in later videos. We will do the practicals on them. Now just create and the SMB is created there. So this is what we just share one folder uh, named as share one, goes to computer C drive, refresh, and there we go. Share one is now and the share one folder is now shared in the network. Now you can share another folder, and this is very conventional method to share folders called share to. So we should right click properties. You can share that at the going share option also. For example, everyone, add, and you can make it reader, contributor, co-owner, and you can remove too. So I'm just making it contributor share. So this is another conventional method to share, and goes to properties, sharing tab. You can share from here also. You can stop sharing, advanced sharing, permission, and this and that. It goes to full control, change. So this is one of the conventional method, and we will learn about more on sharing folders, and we will learn about more about the file server. So that's it. Hope you learned things about it. And one thing is that if you share folder,